One thing I like a lot about Lamar is the smaller size. I know that's repeated time after time, but it really is an upper hand compared to larger universities where you can work more closely with your peers in the classroom as well as with your professors. It's easier to schedule time and talk with them more in depth on the subjects and material that you're learning. This year, our senior design team decided to take on the SAE Baja Challenge, which is designing a small vehicle or off-road vehicle to take on obstacles and challenges presented in the competition that we will be taking part in at the end of the year. So our goals for the design challenge are to not only perform well in the competition and meet expectations of the competition, but to put Lamar's name on the map. There are a lot of big schools we're competing against to have a lot more funding and more people and resources available. That takes a lot of time out of our hands. We're also trying to do school while designing a whole project from the ground up. The idea of having to raise funds is new to us. We are not business majors, but also we are in the process of applying everything we've learned over the past 3 years. That takes a lot of time out of our hands. We're also trying to do school while designing a whole project from the ground up. So to throw funding into that mix puts a whole nother twist on it. To secure funding would be a huge weight off of our shoulders. It would allow us to spend more time in the design phase. I know previous years it was a challenge that raising the funds was at the beginning. They begin design, they build, and they realize they need more funds. So to be able to secure the funds now and spend more time now on the build so that if we come across issues in the future, we'll have more time to work with to prepare and face those obstacles.